Your brain is exhausted. You can't focus. You feel numb. It's not burnout. It's brain overload. The good news, you can reset it in just 24 hours. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete step-by-step mental reset plan that works, and you can start it today. If you're feeling stuck, unmotivated, or mentally foggy, this video is your clean slate. We're going to break the loop and reset your brain in 24 hours using science-backed, real-world methods. Here's why you feel so off lately. Your brain is constantly overstimulated. Social media, notifications, junk food, dopamine spikes every 10 seconds. It's not designed for this, so it shuts down. Focus disappears, excitement fades, you stop feeling human. But if you want to feel clear, focused, and alive again, you need to reset your brain in 24 hours. And here's exactly how to do it. Wake up and move your body. Doesn't matter how, just move. Exercise flushes out stress chemicals, boosts dopamine regulation, and wakes up your frontal lobe. Then, get 10 minutes of natural light. Drink water, not coffee. 0 screens for the first hour. Your brain needs calm, not chaos. This is the hard part. No phone, no TikTok, no Netflix, no sugar. Instead, 1 hour of reading, 30 minutes of journaling, 30 minutes of walking in silence. Do this and your brain will literally start rewiring. You're teaching it to find joy in slower, deeper stimulation. Pick one meaningful task and do it. No distractions, no music, no multitasking. Even if it's just for 90 minutes. You'll feel your attention stretch again. Your brain loves focused work. It just forgot how to do it. You can't think clearly on trash fuel. Eat real, whole foods. Avoid sugar, processed carbs, and too much caffeine. Try greens, omega-3s, green tea over energy drinks. Feed the brain. It's the engine for everything else. Now, bring your nervous system down. Reflect in a journal. Stretch for 10 minutes. Read before bed. No phone, no screens for 90 minutes before sleep. And most importantly, sleep. 7 to 9 hours. That's when your brain actually resets. Most people go their entire lives without resetting their brain. They stay stuck in the loop. But now you know how to step out. It only takes one disciplined day to feel alive again. So don't wait. Try it today and feel the difference tomorrow. Comment below. What's the one distraction you'll cut for 24 hours? Like this video if you're ready to start your reset. And subscribe for more tools on mental clarity, focus, and self-mastery. Your brain deserves better. You just have to give it space to breathe.